Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix the your fiber cannot activate. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings and then head over to settings on your device, head over to apps and then head over to see all apps, head over to the app drawer and then search for the MyGeo app, head over to storage and cache, clear the cache for MyGeo and try again. You must also make sure that the SIM that you're trying to activate or the internet service is connected. What you can try and do is head over to your settings on your device and then scroll all the way down, head over to system, tap on reset options and then hit reset mobile network settings and reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Inside the app, what you can try and do is make sure that you log into your account if the issue still persists. However, what you can try and do is head over to your app drawer, search for the Zeo Fiber app, long press on the MyGeo app, uninstall it on your device, reinstall it from the Play Store and try registering again. However, if your account is still not registered, then you may have to contact support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.